Okay.
K.
What letter is this?
A.
Good girl. What letter is this?
B.
Good girl. What letter is this?
C.
Good girl. What about this? What letter is this?
D.
Good girl. What letter is this?
A.
Good girl. What letter is this?
F.
Good girl. What letter is this?
D.
Good girl. What about this letter? Good girl. What about this?
I.
Good girl. What's this letter?
O.
No, this is J.
K.
J. What letter is this?
K.
Good girl. What letter is this?
O.
L. What letter is this? Good girl. What letter is this?
N.
Good girl. What letter is this?
O.
Good girl. You're amazing. What letter is this?
B.
Huh? What letter is this?
P.
Good girl. What letter is this?
Q.
Good girl. What about this letter?
R.
Good girl. And what's this letter?
S.
Good girl. What about this one? What's this letter?
C.
T. What's this one?
U.
U. And what's this?
V.
V. Good girl. What's this?
Q.
W. And what's this letter? Sophie, what's this letter? Soph.
Muck.
Milk. Okay, you can take a milk break. What's this letter?
X.
Good girl. And what's this letter? Sophie.
Y.
Y. Good girl. And what's this one?
C.
Z. Yay!